The Dirt Devil Bagless Canister vacuum offers strong, consistent suction thanks to its cyclonic design, so it pulls up fine dust and heavier debris from both carpets and hard floors effectively. Its lightweight canister and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver around furniture and carry between rooms without feeling bulky or tiring. The included multi-floor nozzle, crevice tool, and dusting brush give you enough versatility to handle tight corners, baseboards, upholstery, and above-floor surfaces without constantly swapping machines. A large, clear dirt container with a simple release button lets you empty collected debris quickly and cleanly, reducing how often you need to stop during bigger cleaning sessions. The rinseable filter system helps trap dust and can be washed and reused, which cuts down on replacement parts and keeps performance steadier over time. An automatic cord rewind feature neatly pulls the power cord back into the canister at the press of a button, making storage faster and keeping the cord from tangling underfoot.